Atlantic City builds itself as the seaside gaming and resort capital of the East Coast, and with over 27 million visitors a year, it's undoubtedly one of the most popular tourist destinations in the United States. As the summer travel season kicks into high gear, our friend and resident travel expert Troy Petenbrink joins us this morning to talk a bit about what's new in Atlantic City and why you might want to make it a place to visit. Troy, okay, so listen, Atlantic City normally not known for let's just say it's taken its hits, but there's sort of a renaissance going on here. What's happening?
Yeah, absolutely. You know, it's amazing to think about this. Atlantic City has been a popular destination since the 1800s. And obviously, since that time, there's been depressions and recessions and multiple storms and everything. But this city is definitely in an upswing right now. There are so many new things happening here. I've been here the last few days checking things out. And I have to tell you, I've been really impressed.
What are you impressed with? I mean, what's new?
Well, you know, there is a $40 million beach restoration that has taken place. So the beach has never looked better. I mean, it's a wide beach. The dunes have been redone, lots of seagrass and things like that. It's really nice. The Borgata, which is the sister restaurant, sister hotel to the MGM National Harbor, they just put in a 25,000, get that, 25,000 Asian gaming floor. It's getting tons of buzz. They've added new restaurants. They've redone their bar. The Golden Nugget, doing a multi-million-dollar renovation of its rooms. You just saw the Nobu, that's opened at Caesars. Talk about luxury, that's amazing. Stephen Starr, who has the Diplomat in Washington, D.C., he's opening 2 new restaurants here in Atlantic City at the Ocean Resort. I am just really impressed. I mean, this is definitely a great destination for folks from the D.C. area as well. I mean, it's only a 3.5-hour drive. You can get here faster than you can Ocean City sometimes.
That's true. So let's talk about family fun, because I know a lot of our viewers are looking for things to do with the kiddos. What's there to do for the family there?
Well, you know, you might have saw some of those pictures that just went by. The Steel Pier, which is their large amusement park that extends out over the ocean, they just added a new roller coaster. The aquarium here, it had actually closed during the pandemic and underwent a 5-year restoration. It is so much fun. It's got a huge touching area. I went in and I was petting sharks and stingrays. That's a great thing for the families. Now, a little bit more on the adult side, there's a wonderful show here called The Hook. That's a cirque-like show with acrobats and things like that. They have a bunch of new acts. It's called The Hook. I definitely recommend folks check that out. That is not for kids, though, but it's a great entertainment place to go.
Good tip. So listen, a lot of places like Atlantic City, when they want to lure people after these huge sort of renovations, they give specials and deals. Are you seeing that happening? Or are restaurants and hotels, are they offering any special deals?
Yeah, absolutely. You should definitely check out the Visit Atlantic City website. There's some wonderful deals there. I mean, we certainly have been reporting for a while how the summer season is a little iffy right now. I have to say, I talked to the folks here. Their numbers are pretty strong, so the deals may not be as great as you might think. But think about this. Advanced planning, packages, driving right now is really easy. Gas prices are at a 5-year low, so it's really easy to drive up here. Parking is really convenient. Most of the resorts, it's either free or it's only like $10 a day. So really, there's some good value to come up here to Atlantic City. And of course, you know, the boardwalk here is amazing. It's one of the world's longest and oldest boardwalks. It's 4 miles long. You will have a good time if you come visit.
Indeed. And listen, if you're a little bit on the fence, maybe just make it a weekend trip, right? 2 days is plenty, isn't it?
Absolutely it is. Absolutely it is. And like I said, very easy drive from the Washington, D.C. area. And then if you want to combine it, you know, Philly's not that far away. It's really easy to come up and kind of do a combination trip here. So, and you know I love a good road trip.
I know you do. Troy Petenbrink, our resident travel expert. How can folks find you, my friend?
Hey, follow me online at The Gay Traveler or across social media. I'm actually posting a lot of things throughout what's new here in Atlantic City, so check that out as well.
Love your tips. Thank you so much. Information on your screen, by the way. Visit AtlanticCity.com is the website. Troy is your expert there, so check him out as well. Troy, as always, we appreciate you.